When I think of the word vacation, I see it as a synonym for adventure. Not everyone shares this mindset, and I understand. But Courtney sure shares it with me. That's one of the reasons I married her. So it only seems fitting that for our honeymoon, our first adventure, it would be somewhere epic, somewhere unimaginable, somewhere so incredibly isolated from the rest of the world that its diversity knows no bounds. The best part of this all is that we get to explore it together. We get to explore the great land of Aotearoa.
It's like coming here and then go to talking about Australia.
Well, we're on a plane to New Zealand.
Finally.
They're like, oh,
It says finally, but this is the longest leg of our journey across the entire Pacific Ocean.
We don't want
Well,
things
good
to
evening,
go on
ladies and
this
gents. Leonard
airplane.
Lacey speaking to Captain on behalf of the New Zealand crew. It's my pleasure to welcome for this flight in.
Welcome to New Zealand. We don't have a car yet, so we're just wandering around. There's looks like a really nice breakfast place that opens in about 10 minutes. So we got out of the airport to go there. Yeah, that's a slick McDonald's though. So, how was breakfast?
It was so good, guys.
I was gonna tell them we had some card issues, so I didn't. I was gonna tell them that I hoped that their food set the standard for our entire trip here, because it was so good.
And this isn't just like us being traveling. This is us.
It was
being,
really
like,
good. We just got books.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
I got them. I got a map and a bird book.
I don't want to know how much.
We're gonna head to a park now to kind of get situated here. This is our camper van for the next couple of weeks. And guess what? They all drive on the left here, and I'm on the right.
And our thing is in French.
What? driving. Maybe we can walk up there. We always end up summiting things together, don't we?
I entirely blame you.
Well, now we're gonna go check into our hotel. Because finally we can do that.
It's been a really good day though.
Yeah.
Once we finally got here.
Yeah. It feels like it's been a long day. Lots and lots of stairs.